In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restore or recover deleted emails in Microsoft Outlook. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you had deleted an email and you wish to recover it because you had maybe deleted it by mistake or you just still need it in your inbox, then log into your Outlook account and you should see we have deleted items. If you click on this, now you can see all deleted items here. As you can see, I have this email that I deleted and I wish to restore it back to my inbox. To do so, just check on this box next to it, and by checking this box, we have more additional menus that are available here. Now look for move to option, and if you click on the drop down, we have an option for inbox. Click on inbox and it has been moved to inbox. Now if I go back to my inbox, now we have it here restored. So that's how you can restore or recover deleted emails in Microsoft Outlook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.